Alright guys, back with a quick video. Finally got this little project all back together. Started life as a 272S, so set up as a stump grinder. I converted it to a chainsaw since I didn't have the parts to get back to a stump grinder. But just got this barn chain. It's actually all rebuilt with aftermarket parts. Rebuilt with aftermarket parts. Everything was pretty smoked when I got it. So see what it does here now. Already warmed it up. Got a red barn pop-up in it, 52mm. Guys, it don't run too bad. Like I said, I had it tack tuned at 12,000. I did plug off that governor circuit. Matt House has a great video on how to do that. I just followed his video. Give him a little shout out for that. But like I said, I'm just going to keep breaking it in a little fat since, like I said, that was literally the first run with the bar. I did a little bit of braking, a couple of heat cycles before I got the bar. You know, I literally got this bar the other day, but we just did this little velocity stack because I couldn't get any of that aftermarket air filter stuff to fit clean under that cover, so I figured just go like that since I really don't have a ton of money into this saw, you know. Maybe $150, you know. So see how it holds up, you know. Like I said, all the internal stuff's aftermarket. The cases, the flywheel, and the clutch are factory OEM, but cylinder, crank, bearings, piston, you know, I got a factory car, but see how it holds up, you know. I think I'm just gonna use it as a firewood saw for now, but the only real husky I got on this side. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.